Today, before the false accusations of the past, let's take a look on preparation and celebration. I'm Ken Laforio, your disconnector. Hello, welcome to the extra edition of Disconnector. Before we get into that story of the 2008 Torch Night, let me share you a sneak peek on how UP students prepared and celebrated during the 2010 Freshman Night. Let's take a look first on the BS Computer Science freshmen who did preparations days before that event. And it was a casual talk, yet it showed me that we don't need to brag. Let's take a look. How would you prove sa upperclassmen na nanasad mo yung edge this freshman? Unsa man? Unsa yung mapakita? Unsa yung...
Ay, kamo!
2 days na naman kami
Charmaine.
Charmaine.
Kailangan sila may nakipon sa
Ay, kaya na nautan ako
Wala,
na
eh.
The black
Busy
leaders
dun.
worthless.
Busy daw.
We believe that even the upperclassmen haven't shown the edge to us.
Second.
How would you let your iska show their assets?
Go.
Support
Saman,
them
saman.
with very many placards. Placards? Ano placards na yun?
Sa placard.
Balik pa yun! Ano, magbuhat ka na!
Guys, go!
Unsa ang ka-unique sa isko or iska ninyo na wala sa uban?
Sexy.
Hi! Proportion ng hi! Tapos,
Pangalan ba sa mo isko? Isko na.
coolness na dyan mo, coolness.
Pangalan pala ni
Tapos
Francisco.
tama-tama lang amo, dili over na magrampa daw, mabali ang liog. Duh!
Kami may best chemistry, oh.
Amin lang ang isko na kumikit.
May physics pa!
Yun lang.
Wow. Sa aming isko lang napagalitan.
na ay Marlboro. Tama.
Oh, unique na
Hindi
yun.
siya nagamit.
Unique na yun.
Wala na dyan siya yung pagtigalis na.
Wala, oy. Tara na maghapon ay sulod.
Ay, atong isko-giska lang ang wala tay talent siguro. Na may talent. Wait, na rin talent.
Hidden talent.
Wala na sila yung matalent.
Hidden man.
Wala pa nakitaan kay hidden man.
Pinapangita.
Talent ng freshman. Sa freshman. Murag, Peter fresh night.
Yun ang talent niya.
Fresh night.
Fresh night.
Okay.
I'm fresh.
I'm fresh. Sige. Thank you. Well done. Great stuff from the Comsec freshmen. Next, we take you after the freshman night, where the BS Biology freshmen had a little celebration for their success after the event. Because although they didn't win the top prize, their great support gained a huge popularity, especially for their ISCO and ISCA. Let's see, how do you celebrate it? Celebration kahapon. Lingaw.
Over.
Ay, 9:30 ko di ba? Gutom na tayo ko.
Wala man di wala.
Ayun, watch chili.
Masaya kasi na-appreciate kami, kuya, kahit na gano'n lang ginawa namin kasi first year kami. Kasi may mga prize.
Mga 8, pinuwi na ako ni Daddy.
Tapos sa ISCO-ISCA pala.
Isko!
How are you na binoto ka? Binoto
Tarungin mo ba? Gusto ba?
na binoto ka as Omegan's Choice.
Overwhelmed!
Omegan Boyfriend's Choice.
Masaya kasi merong pera. Okay, siya.
Gabi lang ako, bayot lang ko gabi ka lang.
Over-oy.
Wala ko dito.
Uy. Musta nga nag ka iska?
Wala.
Hello.
Nag-recharge mo ang dangal.
Ikaw nga na boto sa Megan Voters Choice.
Siyempre, with all the support of my
Lagi na-expect me na Arkia mo daog pero biglaan as in last minute.
Basta tayo. Basta tayo.
Sa bayo.
Pwede sa program nila.
Sa
Bye, freshies, having a glow out there. And that's this edition of DS Connector. As always, stay connected, my Square and Bye, because next time we will take you to the real serious issues. I am Kenneth Fordham. God bless. Have a great day.